I don't ever miss an opportunity to take my snowboard for a spin. And as long as I'm spinning, I might as well work on my 180 flip.
First run, first run.
I'm just happy to be on the mountain. Doesn't matter if the snow is icy. It's a beautiful, beautiful day.
Whoa! Yes! Wow! That's a great.
So you visualize it, aye, that's it. And you go to the back foot and boom.
Yeah.
Boom. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, yes.
Be aligned with the leg. You've got it. And with the
I'm
feet.
41 years old. You understand me? I should be 16 doing this.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Land on my knees?
The foot flip. Come watch it out.
If I would have pushed my back leg forward, I would have done a 180.
Yeah. You can. Do it again. One more. Then go now. You want one more? Keep it hot. You on it. Man, you landed. You really landed, so the flip was okay.
I was so confused where I was like, well, where am I? Oh my god.
45 backflip, 50 double walk.
Yeah, pretty good though.
Next year. Man, you'll see it next year.
Don't believe what they say. You can teach a still pretty young DJ new tricks. Time to play a quick DJ set on the side of a mountain in the middle of a damn snowstorm. What could possibly go wrong?
You ever been on the stage in these conditions?
Never. This is stupid. Alright. Let's go! Let's go!
They're here with me in the snow. I appreciate every single one of you guys for being out here.
Is that your first show on the side of a mountain?
I did not know what to expect on that one.
That was like top 5 memorable Aoki shows for me. Easily.
It's just such a weird environment. With
Thanks for being so understanding about
yeah, dude, it is what it is, you know? Wow. I was just feeling the vibe and energy. I kept going with it, you know? Like.
Okay.